the big question of being in contact, touching each other, working with each other's psychologies as you're inviting others to see you, and to just watch that evolve. When we look at it, it's a phenomenon. It's just this incredible thing that has morphed and changed.
It's not about not thinking, it's like your body is thinking all the time. It's thinking through movement and perception and imagination. That's a kind of thinking. And that's why I say to people that contact is not about creating a container for people to have sensations. It's a container for people to explore through movement and awareness. See, as soon as you move through space, the challenges are vast because you're navigating through cluttered environments, through weight and momentum, and it's a lot of problems to solve. Challenging your body, pushing it to have to solve problems, and observing your body over and over look out for you.
I want to see more people going to classes. It never ends. This practice never ends, and I don't know how it's going to evolve physically. Is there a limit? But yeah, I want to see people like researching.
Us coming together to practice, to work, to find cohesion, to practice dissonance, like that those things are actually in service of citizenship and kind of group survival through collaboration.